that's perfect.
Let me just get that. Okay, ready.
And that eye goes through the grommet. And then around the batten.
Got it.
Okay, on to the next.
So the batten goes through it in the loop? Or no?
Right there, see?
Oh, cool, yeah.
Now that's the first pair, now we've got the second pair.
Got it. That's cool.
Okay, your way a little bit, Jordan? Okay. Okay. One more.
And I wasn't able to see, but it's basically just the eye at the end. The grommet or the batten goes through the eye itself.
No, just the lazy jack goes to the grommet.
But I mean the eye of the lazy
Yes.
jack. Okay, got it. Yep, I gotcha.
Oopsies.
Back.
You wanna, I don't know. Maybe you should this one then, Bud, because you're the longest.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Right there.